Charlie Watts is born in London, UK in 1941. Watts joins the band The Rolling Stones in 1963. He is a drummer. Mick Jagger, Keith Richards, and Brian Jones are in the band with Watts. They do not have much experience. They are a new band. Everything changes when Watts comes. Watts is a great drummer. Many people say that he is one of the best drummers in the world. The Rolling Stones become very popular. It is interesting that Watts never goes to music school. He learns to play drums by himself. He learns when he watches other drummers play. Recently, the Rolling Stones plan a U.S. tour. Watts says that he will not join the band. He has to get better from a surgery. He dies a few weeks later.